If you've been searching for how to open Hostinger cPanel, there's one important thing you need to know right away. Hostinger does not use cPanel by default. Instead, Hostinger uses its own control panel called hPanel. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to log in and get to the Hostinger dashboard, which is the place where you manage your websites, domains, files, email, and hosting settings. This is the quickest way to get where you need to go, especially if you're new to Hostinger and you're expecting a traditional cPanel screen. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the official Hostinger website. You can type Hostinger into the search bar, or if you already know the website address, just enter it directly. Once the site loads, look for the login button. This is usually in the top right area of the page, and that's the button you want to click to access your account. After clicking Login, you'll be taken to the sign-in page. Here, enter your Hostinger account details, such as the email address and password you used when you created the account. If you signed up with Google or another login method, use that same method so you can get into the correct account without any issues. Once your details are entered, click Login again. After that, Hostinger will take you into your account dashboard, and this is where you'll see hPanel. So if you were expecting cPanel, don't worry, this is normal. Hostinger's hPanel is their own custom dashboard, and it gives you access to the same kinds of hosting tools you'd normally manage through cPanel, but in a different interface. From here, you can manage your hosting plan, domains, websites, files, databases, emails, and more. If you want to manage a specific website, look for the hosting section or the website section inside hPanel. Depending on your plan, you may see different options, but everything you need should be available from that main dashboard. If you're trying to find something that looks like cPanel, the closest answer is that Hostinger replaces cPanel with hPanel. So you won't be opening a separate cPanel login page in most cases. That's one of the biggest things new users get confused about, so it's important to remember this. To make it even easier, think of hPanel as Hostinger's version of cPanel. It's the control center for your hosting account, and once you're logged in, you're already in the right place. From there, you can click around to access your website settings, file manager, email accounts, performance tools, and security settings. So the simple answer to how to open Hostinger cPanel is, go to Hostinger, click Login, enter your details, and open hPanel. That's the dashboard you'll use to manage everything. If you were looking for cPanel specifically because you wanted a familiar interface, just know that Hostinger's custom panel is designed to be easier for beginners and is where all your hosting controls live. And that's it. You now know how to access Hostinger's control panel the right way. If this video helped clear things up, please hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want a tutorial on how to use hPanel next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.